horsepower, you've never seen them slip out.
Yes and no. Why is it slipping? Just slipping. It's not like it's putting that much torque into it, is it? Is it? Oh, right. Really had them sort of 2,500–3,000 pounds, and he's doing like 150 horsepower.
Oh, was it?
Oh, was it?
Oh, shit, I was looking at the miles per hour, weren't you?
Oh, no. Oh, yeah,
I was looking at top right, so you were like 60 miles per hour, I thought you were 60 horsepower.
Yeah, no, you were 130, 140.
Oh, shit.
That'd be on like...
At 2,500, yeah?
Yeah, 2.8s, 2.9. That makes more sense. As soon as the boost come in, it was just like... Yeah. He's just monstrous talk. Yeah. Oh no. Ratchet it down more. No, I was thinking that, but I can't actually tell. It wasn't 100%. I can't smell it. Whether it was wheel spin or clutch.
It did feel like wheel spin when I sat on it.
And it was better when you sat on it.
Yeah.
So I think it is wheel spin. That's about the same as the V8 yesterday, Saturday.
I'm just...
I've been tested to have a look at the fuel. I think it was doing quite well. And that's the way I was wrong. I thought that was a sensible point to start.
Yeah. I was expecting that at, like... Well, like, to be honest, I have expected that if we managed to squeeze 20 into it, that we'd probably end up there.
Oh. Yeah.
You know, are we confident in that figure, with the slip and everything? Do you think that's...
I'm going to do it again.
Okay.
What was that before, wasn't it?
No, it was like 220.
Oh.
Yeah, you got 220 at the wheel, that was the best we got last night. Oh, the fly.
Oh yeah, we're up by about 25% then.
Yeah, that wheel figure is what we made at the fly last time.
It is roughly, yeah.
Well, actually, yeah, 214, that was the best we made. Shit.
Do that again in a second.
We've just done the first power run, so we had issues with tyre slip and so forth, getting it all warmed up and just general sort of issues as you do when a car's been sat for a while. We're on a 7 psi actuator, as I've mentioned before. Obviously got a lot of preload on it because we made a nice steady 10 pounds. We got wheel slip at 4,000 RPM, but it gripped again at 5,000 RPM. It made 276 crank horsepower at 6,500 RPM at 10 psi. So Steve's just going to make a couple of tweaks to the map, and we're going to try it again just to make sure that that figure is accurate, because holy...
And
That was strong. As well.
Yeah.
We didn't turn that with the fuel there.
No, and I've experienced that firsthand on the road, taking fuel out of the fridge.
Where that flattens off at the top, we'll be able to bring that to a natural loop again. That's just low limit. We don't want to go anymore. It's too much fuel.
Just got back from Steve Walford's and I'm still absolutely blown away. I can't believe the result that we've had tonight. So just want to summarise sort of what's happened tonight, what we've done and where we go from here. So first of all, the important bits, the car's made 275 brake horsepower and 230 pound-foot of torque, and we haven't touched the boost controller. The boost controller is not even connected to the setup at the moment. So there is plenty more to come. We only did a few pulls, we made a few tweaks to the map. One thing that we did notice was that the turbo is suffering from boost creep at the higher RPM. I think that is telling us that the turbo exhaust housing is maybe a little bit small. Possibly we can get away with just porting out the wastegate side of the exhaust housing. Something we need to have a think on and decide what to do. It also explains why we made quite so much power without touching the boost controller, because we were getting boost creep. I haven't reviewed the footage yet of the screen, which you would have probably already seen, so I'm not sure quite what boost we were actually getting up to in the boost creep. It was below boost cut, which is all I know, so it was safe. The other thing was, we went to do one final run, having made some final tweaks to the map, and the actual throttle assembly failed. So where the throttle cable attaches to the throttle body, that whole thing has broken. Looks like something had come loose which allowed it to twist, and then it's just got bent. It's one of those things. I think I've got some spares, so we'll be able to fix that and try again. One thing Steve did say was it was so rich at the top end that there's more power to come by just leaning that fuel mixture out. So it's going to make more than that on its current setup, which is safe. We do want to make some changes. There's a dip in the torque in the mid-range. Not quite sure again why that is. I need to investigate that, look at the videos and try and work out what was going on. But it's blown me away. I hoped we might make this kind of power by turning the boost up and all the rest of it, but the way it's gone, it's really encouraging. It still needs some refinement, but this is we're going into the unknown here. This is something that is not well documented. People out there have done it before, but it's everyone's setups are a little bit different, and mine's different to those that have inspired this one. So, but we're really impressed, and I'm blown away by that power figure, and just how it revs. It's fantastic. So from here then, sort out the throttle, do another power run, see what it's doing. Need to investigate the mid-range boost drop-off, and also look at solutions for the boost creep so we can get it all under control. And then once it's sort of making steady boost on the low boost settings, screw some boost into it and make even more. So I'm going to cut off there because I'm starting to waffle now. It's Monday, well, early Tuesday morning by now. So I'm going to get to bed and edit this video tomorrow, and probably record some more commentary on that as and when I understand what was going on. And yeah, so thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you've enjoyed the project. There is more to come once the car comes home and get the bodywork and that sorted, and obviously there'll be more to come on engine development in the future as well. So yeah, thank you. Good night.
Maybe you could fly my kite, babe. Maybe you could fly my kite, babe. I can hear your laughter coming waves across the shore. Oh, maybe you could fly my kite, babe. Maybe you could fly my kite.